It's looking pretty good, Lily, but half of them are upside down.
No, they're not.
No, they definitely are. Half of them are
to be like that.
No, they're not. Half of them are upside down. You should probably do a bit of research.
Definitely meant to be.
Hi guys, so I thought I'd do a video this week on shock placement and the orientation that you put them in. So I'll start off with this gas and oil twin tube shock. This particular shock goes shaft side up. If you put it upside down, you'll have issues for sure. When I say twin tube, there's like an inner and an outer sleeve to this shock. It is made out of a thinner steel. It's non-rebuildable, and that same goes to these two here. This particular shock does have the gas separate, which is why they only return manually. However, would be the most common one I see fitted upside down. So with that and this basic Dobinson's gas shock as well, they all go shaft side up. So these two final shocks are actually a mono tube, so the wall thickness is very thick and it's only this steel outer with the piston directly inside it. This has a floating piston with nitrogen on the top side of it to stop with your aeration and whatnot. And believe it or not, these two shocks can go both ways. However, in pretty much all of our market applications, they're designed to go shaft down. I hope that's a bit helpful for you guys, and if you have any other questions or whatnot, let us know.